Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to export an SPSS in MRDCL Central. MRDCL Central export a similar type of files to export as MRDCL Classic. Type of files to export available in MRDCL Central are CSV, Resolve, QPSMR, SSS XML, SPSS, SAS, and Quantum. One of the added features in MRDCL Central is exporting SPSS file as SAV file. DTV can be viewed and modified easily in the export page, and DTV file name will be displayed here. Export button to export the selected file type, and additional button to view the other files for viewing or read only. List of exported files can be viewed from MRDCL Central, and user can also view other files not listed in exported files. User can create a new DTV file, open a DTV file, or remove a DTV file using the buttons. Just like MRDCL Classic, MRDCL Central also has a DTV file. A DTV file can be amended to control which and how much information is exported. If user do not wish to export of all the variables or have syndicated data file, where each member of the syndicated require different data from the file. A DTV file also should be created that have exported the data file before and need to match the data previously exported. DTV editor toolbar, and the DTV file will be editable in MRDCL Central, and you have to make sure to save the DTV file before exporting the file. Any changes to DTV file will be reflected to the exported file, and most exported files can be easily viewed from the export viewer. However, sub-file will be also viewed using IBM SPSS software. And by default, exported SPSS file will also be in the same location as the setup or STP and output files.